Students, good morning. Students, today is 6th August 2020. Students, in the last class I have taught to you about chapter number 6. Chapter number 6 was going on, and the name of the chapter is Social Responsibilities of Business and Business Ethics. Okay, students, this is your page number 1 of today's class. Students, in the last class I have taught to you about the types of pollution, in which I have told to you there are the 4 types of the pollution in your syllabus: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. Okay, and I have taught to you about the air pollution on that class. Okay, today I want to continue it. So today's next point relates on the water pollution. Water pollution. Students, you know about that. When toxic substances enter rivers, streams, and other water bodies and get dissolved in the water, it leads to water pollutions. Okay, it is as like based on your junior classes definition. So you will write it here: when toxic substances enter rivers, streams and other water bodies and get dissolved or lie suspended in water, it leads to water pollution. Okay, clear, students? Water pollution degrades the quality of water. You know about that. Water pollution से क्या होता है, आपकी पानी की क्वालिटी क्या होती है, डिग्रेड हो जाती है, खराब हो जाती है, and has led to the death of several animals and posed a serious threat to human life. Okay, this is the loss of the water pollutions. Okay, so now the third point is based on the land pollution. Land pollution is caused due to dumping of toxic wastes on land. For example, use of synthetic fertilizers that has been used by the farmers at the time of the agriculture. So on the things of that fertilizers, okay, it's synthetic fertilizer, it will be create the pollution in the land, or pesticides or polluted water in agriculture land, it relates from the land pollutions. Okay, so you will write it here. So here you will write: land pollution is caused due to dumping of toxic wastes, WASTES, toxic waste on land. Okay, for example, you can write here also example. For example, use of synthetic fertilizers. You know about that, students. Now age in this time, the farmers has used the different types of the fertilizers. कई तरह के रासायनिक उर्वरकों का यूज़ करते हैं, फर्टिलाइजर्स का यूज़ करते हैं. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंकिंग, इट क्रिएट द लैंड पोल्यूशन. सो यू विल राइट: यूज ऑफ synthetic fertilizers comma, pesticides or polluted water in agriculture leads to land pollution. Okay, it degrades the in the water pollution, it degrades the quality of water. In the land pollution, it degrade the quality of land. Okay, वाटर पोल्यूशन में वाटर की क्वालिटी हमारी डिग्रेड हो जाती है वाटर पोल्यूशन में, एंड लैंड पोल्यूशन में हमारे लैंड की क्वालिटी डिग्रेड हो जाती है. सो यू विल राइट इट हियर, it degrades the quality of land and makes it unfit for agriculture or plantation. It means on the basis of the water pollution, it create the on the basis of the toxic, it create the land pollutions. Toxics, when the different types of the toxics or wastes has been used on the land, so it will be create the land pollution. Here students, and the last pollution is relates from the noise pollution. Okay, noise pollution क्या है? Noise is made by machines, vehicles, firecrackers, etc. leads to noise pollution. So here you will write noise made by machines, comma, vehicles, comma, firecrackers, etc. It will be create the noise pollution. So you will write etc. leads to noise pollution. Full stop. It not only causes irritation. You know about that. अगर कहीं शोर हो रहा हो so irritations हो सकती है, और annoyance, but it also a serious health hazard. You know about that. With the noise pollution, it has been created it is harmful for the health also. Okay, so these are the noise pollution. So here students, I have described you 4 types of the pollutions. Air pollution in the last class, and today I have described you water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollutions. Okay, so now next topic is need for pollution control. Why it is required? I will start the need for the noise pollution from the next page. Okay, so students, this is your page number 2 of today's class, and your main topic is need for pollution control. Why the pollution control is necessary? What is the requirement to control the pollutions? Okay, look here. So the main reasons, here you will write it, the main reasons, comma, which justify the need for pollution control are as follows. Okay, so first heading is reduction of health hazards. Reduction of health hazards. Okay, HAZARDS, hazards. Okay, so on the basis of the proper health, good health, it has been also necessary to control the pollution. So here you will write increasing level of pollution, increasing level of pollution is the major reason for many diseases like cancer, heart attacks, cancer, heart attacks, and and lung complications. So pollution control so pollution control is needed to reduce such health hazard hazards and to improve the quality of life, because due to the pollution it is harmful for the human beings, animals, and each and everyone. So it is necessary to control it because it will be improve the quality of life, improve the quality of life. So on the basis of these point it is necessary. Okay, now second heading is reduced risk liability. Reduced risk of liability. Okay, it means risk liability has been also required for the reductions. Okay, business enterprises is often business enterprise is often held held liable to pay compensation to the individuals affected of toxic gases, harmful gases. It means chemicals and other wastes released into the environment. It is also harmful for the environment also. Okay, business can reduce this business can reduce this risk of liability by installing pollution control devices. By installing pollution control devices. Okay, it means if the industrialist wants to reduce the risk factor, so with the help of the installing the pollution control device, they can reduce the pollutions. So this is the liability of the businessman. So reduce risk of liabilities if the pollution has been controlled. So there is the liabilities related on the any type of the risk will be also reduced. Now third is cost savings. Cost saving. Listen, students, listen. You know about that the pollution control is the liability of the businessman or liability of the businessman or industries who produce the goods. Different types of the productions has been done by the industrialist or businessman. So that is the responsibilities of the businessman to control the pollutions. So if the businessman has improved their quality of product and do not use such type of the product that will be release the waste of heavy quantity of the wastage, heavy quantity of the toxic. So on the basis of the reasons, it has been also provided, it has been also spent high cost of waste disposal controlling machines. It can be also use that type of the pollution control devices. So that is high cost, that has been available in the market in high cost. So on the basis of this type of the reason, it is also necessary to reduce the pollution. So you know about that, I will also explain in Hindi here also. आपको ये पता है बिजनेसमैन क्या करते हैं, जो भी हमारा प्रोडक्शंस कर रहे हैं, इंडस्ट्रीज हमारा प्रोडक्शंस कर रहे हैं, सो ये एक बिजनेसमैन या इंडस्ट्रीज की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है किसी भी क्या वेस्टेज को, जो भी हमारा इंडस्ट्रीज में प्रोडक्शंस के कारण हुआ उसको खत्म करने की, समाप्त करने की. सो व्हाई दैट टाइप ऑफ द पोल्यूशन हैज बीन क्रिएटेड, कि हमारा जो ये पोल्यूशन है ये हमारे इन्वायरमेंट को क्यों इफेक्ट करे. सो ऑन दैट टाइप ऑफ द रीजंस बिजनेसमैन क्या करते हैं, हाई क्वांटिटी वाले इंस्टॉल कराते हैं क्या प्रोडक्शन पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल डिवाइसेस. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द कंट्रोलिंग पोल्यूशंस they will not install such type of the high cost controlling devices, so it will be reduce the cost of the productions also. Okay, so here you will write here also, pollution control also helps to pollution control also helps to save costs of operating business. For example, you can write it here also one example. For example, if the production process releases wastes in heavy quantity, then an effective pollution control program, at that time we have been required the pollution control program, then an effective pollution control program will prevent high cost of waste disposal and cost of cleaning plants. So on the basis of that type of the reason, it will be increase the cost of the goods also that has been produced by the industries. So these are the reasons. There are the 5 reasons. Here I have explained 3 reasons in today's class. Next 2 reasons 4 and 5 I will explain in the next class. In the meanwhile, if you have any doubt, then students you can also ask the query. Okay.